I'm going to show you the easiest way to seal up your snow globe tumblers with the Resin Rockers soft coat resin and plug. To make this tumbler, we're using a drill with a 5/16 inch drill bit, the Resin Rockers plug mold, and the soft coat UV resin. We're also going to use these awesome little corks so you can preview your flow, and we're using Two Moms Craft Shack's snow globe solution. So first I put about an inch of solution into the bottom of the tumbler. This will prevent all the glitter from sticking. We're going to use acetate film to tape around the tumbler to create a shield. I'm using Night at the Oscars Chunky Dot Mix glitter, and I'm alternating the glitter with the snow globe solution. I always put the wet ingredients in the front hole and the dry ingredients in the back to keep the glitter from clumping up when I add it. Next, we're going to preview our flow. So I'm going to take my shield off and put these little corks in. This will allow me to loosen all the glitter and mix it with the solution really well without everything leaking out of the bottom. It allows you to degas it easily without having it sit overnight. So I can make sure all of the solution is coating the glitter from top to bottom. You'll want to repeat this process until you top off the tumbler and there's no air left in the top. So keep mixing and keep topping off. Next, you'll cast your plugs with the soft coat UV resin and create flexible plugs like this that will fit airtight into the tumbler. Let's sand it and clean it off and get it ready for the resin. Next, we're taking the Resin Rockers original formula and making a ring around the hole and then coating it with the original formula. Use a UV flashlight to cure it or your UV lamp. We're going to repeat that process for the other hole, filling it up in between to make sure there's no air, and then we're going to top it off with some original formula. We're going to cure that, and then we're going to take some original formula and mix it with glitter to create our bottom. Then we're going to coat the bottom and make sure it's all the way to the edges and cure it for 2 minutes with the Magic Cure lamp. This will create a seamless tumbler from top to bottom, and once you mix it all up, the results are absolutely stunning. It's simply beautiful.